Milk was a bad idea.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, correct.
I'm gonna punch you right in the ovaries, right in the baby. Kind of a big deal. I have many leather-bound books. Apartment is rich mahogany. All right, you want to talk? Get on the mic. Talk. I'll tell you what it is. All right. You gonna get on the mic? Nice. Close. Sit. Did you get those closed the toilet store? Dorothy, Dorothy Mantooth is a saint. Lily, are you gonna get on or what? Or you want me to talk about it? I just need a response in general. All right, so we're making it back into the trend line. That's pretty bullish. Closed in there. She's gonna pop. See if it immediately drops from here. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna keep my stop pretty tight. It has pools pumping right here to go up. Maybe there's a lot of resistance there. It's gonna come down the length of that candle before it. I'm gonna come down, tick there, down to the wick. Stings the nostrils. Really should just whip this candle right over it. Hello, are you going to enter 60% of the time? Right, 100%. Lily, you're so helpful. That looks like it's gonna. Did it make progress? We'll see. Feels like here. That was another. Wits are climbing off right here. Right there is going to wick the bottom of this candle. Party dance. There's a fan party here and party and body. Are you saying that there's a invited to party? Yes, yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. Does anybody follow this? I love lamp. That is definitely a fail right there, by the way. It's so distracted trying to get you guys to talk. I love that. All right, nobody's going to talk. To let me know that they're listening, then do other things. actually an optical illusion. Pants, the pants pattern makes it extra large crotch area. Don't act like you're not impressed. All right, so what it's doing right now is framing new price point area that doesn't really want to leave yet. So just to clear this as the low, can't use this guy over here. Going up. But it's also pointing it as being the ceiling before prior, so that's one good place to point. From the low, pointing up into the exact same place. Like star-crossed lovers. Jazz flute is for little. So you can probably this, then you get that in there, and this we can retest this. Try to go back. That up. All right, so we can get up here, like you said, we're gonna do this, boom, come back down, push really hard back into this area down here. So now we're just looking for momentum, which we don't have on here for some reason. Okay, that's probably a long right here. We should continue to try to go up here. Might look for a couple points. This one did make it into the channel, so we might have to be there. So I'm trying to get my indicator. Not working. Where did you get the anchor? Set. Yep. There's one person. I already gave up. Look how deep this is. 27,247. Well, there could be some massive resistance right here. It's gonna push it down. Yep, that hard. There's a wall there. If they get it back up to the top, it's gonna break it. Up here. Make progress. Get up there. Close this up there. And then tap it. Good bounce off of that though. I got a full board and all green there. Even the outline turn green. They didn't quite get to the high there of the screen, so there you go. I think if they close no wick on top, then the bar. Unless it's like a dip or pull back or right at the end there. 60% of the time. So that gap up right there, you can sign up. Normally though, especially at don't like it when the cap's in. Cap here, and it's definitely in a decision like it's too close to that. It's almost like a good step up there. Just to try to give it the benefit of the doubt, but bleeding back down. So grab that. Once it's down here. This might be. Need one more red. So another pullback, another red, and then a retest. See if it goes up. If it doesn't close past the high, there's a wick. You can hit this a couple different ways here too. So that means we are going to get a little bit of pop from here. Step in the dark here, but using alien technology. If I'm going to stall this out to over here, let's go up here, carry on green like this. Pull back that candle. right here just because if I can bring back at all, I can come all the way back up. Normally, I'll probably sort of right here. Kind of like the thing. Now we got but this one goes up. So this one is already on 6, which means that it's probably going to oscillate this area. Shrunk up right here. Last second. Push. Gapping down. Shrunk up right at the last second. It gapped down too. So I guess can't be down here without it. But then we shrunk this down. I missed. I got liquidity before I could say it. It's just liquidity. Just created this big. Not okay. I know I'm holding off here. Just not really convinced that it's ready to go. It's already dumped down here. Then I don't have to worry about this. It's a whole different thing. I got another red, another green, another red, and then it's going. I had here comes you know what? Keep telling me to wait for these pullbacks. I'm just not getting it. I think part of half of this is pulled back on that last one so hard that they're supposed to be over here, yes, contained here. And then it was supposed to get 60 inside those. Instead, they're mixing them together. So my sideways is now down. So now my down is gone. And so now my sideways this way is going to be up. So then my up is gone. It's going to get really confusing, which means basically what that means is it's chopping the grass, like what I'm talking about. There's a certain set of number of candles here, and then it dumps down. But it's really confusing to keep track of it. That's why I'm telling you about your face. Just kidding. Is it better? Can you hear me now? Okay. So you didn't hear anything I said then. So I don't have to. Okay. So I'm waiting for a red down, another green up, and then another red down. And then I'm looking for up. That makes sense. Like, so Lulu said, "Let's talk about 52," but she never even got back on to talk. So, if you wanna know what 52 was for me, if you scroll backwards, you can look the last time we were up at this high, there was a consolidation high, and then there's consolidation low, which is consolidation low is this guy right here, right? It's really the base of this right here, but you had to pull down just like this guy right here. He's down like this. And 52 on that previous consolidation pulled down to really pulled down to this low right here, this 51 there. 52 was probably more like the base of that consolidation, I guess you can say. All right, so here's my pullback right here that I was looking for a long out of this. It could give a retest right after this green bar. But wherever this one closes here, closes pretty low, the long wick, maybe it goes green like this, probably buy. You wanna see the throttle drop here, starting to drop right there. I'm gonna put this pretty tight because there's no point in giving away like unneeded loss there if it's wrong. If it comes back, then it comes back. But it should make an attempt to go right up here. That would've got your first targets off right there. Dorothy Mantooth was a saint. Anybody follow me on this? Anybody got any questions? Why? I don't know why I waited for that push there. Get up there above this area. If you won the lottery, you would share it with me, wouldn't you, Ron? Of course not. I'd give you a very reasonable low interest loan with a massive balloon payment. Yeah, no question. Okay, my guys are great. It's gonna go give it a tick. Oop, never mind. I've never seen Anchorman 2. You mean like this? Like this? Cracks that channel right there, it's gonna go above, try to put support on top of itself and try to get to the next one. If it starts to come back down, come all the way back down, you'd probably be in it. Works right down to this and come down here. Bull should go all the way back up and go bull should go close above this camber. Otherwise, it's gonna hard channel inside this time go up. Never, ever make you drink hot horse piss. It's gonna go crack this right here. So this this turn right here at the top where it's, the block on the high part of this move is a bullish move to try to keep it from going down. Basically, it's trying to create a control box on top of the price action here so it doesn't have to drop down to the lower line. So when it comes back and closes flush with this guy here or at the last couple ticks, it's feeding the float. Basically, this move right here, it drops down a couple ticks or whatever, it's feeding the queue shares to give it into the hands of bulls or bears or whatever, try to get it to spur it up. It cause FOMO because they know if the price goes above this area, FOMO will kick in and explode out with it. So now you look at your move here. You got double the move up once it got back above this area here. And it was going maybe that was 1.5, and he pulled back. Uh, this was one candle, 1.5 here, but that was from the channel down. So this move really is the same as this move here. A control box is like when they run up and grab bears, drag them down below price down here, pick up more bulls, and take a profit there, run it back up, break stop losses here. That feeds the queue, the people who are waiting to buy shares because they're basically ready to absorb queue. So then that goes into the people who are trying to buy shares, who hopefully it's the bulls, and that launches it up. This move, whoever's sitting in queue is going to feed whoever's sitting in queue to break high up here, and then it can either cause a dump or it can cause a loss. So if you see a block at the top here, consolidation, move like this, Now you're going to find support on top of the channel here. It needs to find support here in order to continue to go up. If it can't find support here, it's gotta drop back in. Ramon, did I answer your question in expanding the charts? So the reason why this one didn't drop all the way through right away is because you got this line going across here. So I've made a channel going across right here, the blue. So channel rules are they can also be confusing. It's the reason why I don't talk about them. It's much clearer. You break out of a channel, you find support on top of the channel. Go along. If you fall through the channel, close underneath the channel, you drop back down and try to go hit a pocket. Usually hit a pocket in the middle. You don't really have to all the way to the bottom. But hit a pocket in the middle, you go right back and try to retest the high. If you fail, then you end up back down. But if there's a channel going horizontal going across versus that, this, and you fall and you hit that, then you can punch through on top of that. Wherever there's a channel. So it gets confusing because you have to keep track of multiple channels. This is right on top of the support of this high consolidation right here. This is where we're at. All through that. Again, we are going to jump through here and try to find a pocket. Hopefully, I'll find it before it hits the bottom there. And then put this here. Fixing this. Right, Ramon, are you hearing me? Do you answer? Okay. That could be a fail right there to the high. Come dump down. 625. Me too. All right, just broke the high here. Trying to find support on top of that trend line. Adjust and get more accurate there. All right. I can hide underneath this horizontal pin. Like to see it find support right here. A little liquidity grab there. Could come all the way down. This is where your support should be. Probably want to put this like whatever the length of those ticks are, one tick away from that. Probably gonna get another push up from here, and it might not make it back to the high here. If that happens, most likely gonna drop from here. But I still wanna see it kinda get closer to this trend line going up here. Ah, can't push up from there. this fails right here, it's probably a good short. Get in really tight right here.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us for live trade calls in our trade room, please use the link below in the description to start a free 3-day trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.